Hi, it's Sierra with WTI. And you know those makeup products that are just so good they seamlessly incorporate themselves in your daily routine? Yeah, that's been Fenty Beauty's Matchstick in the shade Mocha for me. It's my go-to choice when I want to enhance my features and add a touch of glam, but without all the fuss. What sets this apart is its incredible versatility. The creamy texture makes it application a breeze, allowing for effortless blending and contouring. Whether I'm going for a subtle everyday look or a more defined appearance, this shade complements my skin beautifully. The pigmentation, it's spot on. It adds warmth and definition without looking too heavy or artificial. The undertones in Mocha effortlessly enhance my natural features, giving me that coveted skin-kissed glow. The packaging is not just cute, but also super convenient. I can throw it in my bag, take it on the go, whenever I need a little touch-up, it's there. And true to Fenty Beauty's style, it is magnetic. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile, easy-to-use contour stick that effortlessly elevates your makeup game, Fenty Beauty's Matchsticks is just that. It's a reliable, stunning addition to your beauty routine, and that's my point of view.